In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a job application form to your GoDaddy website step by step. This is perfect if you're hiring and want applicants to submit their details and resumes directly through your website. We'll be using Google Forms to create the application form and then embedding it into your GoDaddy site. It's simple, free, and works beautifully. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create the job application form using Google Forms. Open your browser and go to forms.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account because you'll need it to create and manage the form. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, click on the blank form option to create a new form from scratch. At the top, give your form a title, something like Job Application Form. You can also add a short description, such as, "Please fill out the form below to apply for this position." Now let's add the necessary fields. The first field should be name. You can keep it as a short answer question and mark it as required, so applicants must fill it in. Next, add another short answer field for email. Again, mark it as required. Then add a phone field, also using the short answer format. After that, create a field for experience. For this one, you can use either a paragraph type question, so applicants can describe their work history, or a short answer if you prefer something brief. Now here's the important part. Adding a resume upload field. Click the plus icon on the right to add a new question, then change the question type dropdown to File Upload. Google will prompt you to confirm that files will be uploaded to your Google Drive. Click Continue. Then label this field Resume Upload and mark it as required if you want every applicant to submit their resume. You can also restrict file types to PDF or DocX for a more professional setup. Once your form is ready, click the Send button in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, click on the Embed option, which looks like these angle brackets. This will generate an HTML embed code. Click Copy to copy that code to your clipboard. We'll use this code to place the form on your GoDaddy website. Now let's move over to GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy.com and log into your account. After logging in, go to your account dashboard and click on My Products. Here you'll see your websites and hosting products. Find the website where you want to add the job application form and click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy website builder. Navigate to the page where you want the job application form to appear. You might want to create a new page called Careers or Jobs if you don't already have one. Once you're on the correct page, click Add Section. From the section options, look for Files and Web, and then choose HTML. This allows you to insert custom HTML code into your website. After adding the HTML section, paste the Google Form embed code that you copied earlier into the HTML box. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly. Once you've pasted the code, click Done. You should now see your job application form displayed directly on your website inside the editor preview. Adjust the section spacing if needed so it fits nicely with your page design. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner to make the changes live. Now when visitors go to your website, they'll be able to fill out the job application form and upload their resumes directly through your site. All responses and uploaded resumes will be stored safely inside your Google Forms responses and Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully added a job application form to your GoDaddy website using Google Forms. It's quick, professional, and completely free to set up. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.